Hi, it's Matt here for Newsshooter.com at NAB 2018. I'm with Hendrik from ARRI. Now, these are the new cforce Mini RF motors. Tell me all about them.
Yeah, you're right. That's a new cforce Mini RF. It's called RF because it transmits radio frequencies. You see, we have the cforce Mini RF here on a mirror camera, and you see it as an antenna, a really rugged antenna. It's the one we have on the UMC4 also. It doesn't break. It's a really good quality. Good transmission quality. And the special thing about the cforce Mini RF, actually there are many special things. The first special thing is that it has an integrated radio module. You see it as a white coded ring here, a white ring. So it's a white coded radio from ARRI. So it's compatible with the WCU4, with the SXU1, and with all legacy hand units that include the white coded radio.
So this takes away the having to use an external box, put the RF signal straight into the motor, a lot easier, a lot quicker to set up.
Exactly. So because we have the radio module in the motor, you don't need an external receiver box, and also you don't need a cable from the external receiver box to the motor. You don't need the bracket to mount the receiver box on the camera. So you really save some weight and complexity on your camera system. And then you see we have the elbows interface. So in this case, in this setup here, we have connected the motor to the RS port of the camera, and then we have just daisy-chained a second standard cforce motor to the first one, and can control focus area. So the receiver receives a signal from the hand unit, and then transfers the signals to the other motors. And it is just a simple elbow system. You can have up to 3 motors. You can connect the L-Cube with a ultrasonic distance measure, for example, to it, and get all your information on the WCU4. In this set, it's maybe if I hold this into the camera, you see we have lens data. So with the WCU4, you can have your lens file in your hand unit. You can transfer that, select a lens file for the lens you're using on the camera, transfer that to the motor. The motor does all the calculations, and you will get the display, including depth of field and everything on your hand unit. You can do focus mapping to the pre-marked rings. You can do focus tracking with a distance measuring device. So you have all those benefits in a very compact package.
When are these going to start shipping, and is there any indication of cost yet?
We plan starting shipping it in May, so that's pretty soon. Cost is 3,480 euros for the basic package that includes the motor, the gear, the antenna, of course, and the clamp.
Thanks very much.
Thank you for coming.